Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to turn on the low power mode on your AirPods Max headphones. But first, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more useful videos. If you may already know, you can turn off these headphones. This is quite a surprise actually, but you can put them into a low power mode. So if you don't use them for about 5 minutes, they will automatically go into the low power mode. But if you don't use them for about 3 days, they will automatically go into the ultra low power mode. But if you don't want to wait for 3 days, you can put them in this case and they will immediately go into the ultra low power mode. I will show you now how it works. So you put them in this position, then you need to put them into the case, and that's all. Now they are into the ultra low power mode. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.